Good afternoon, viewers, from a hot and sunny Amsterdam. Well, today, guys, I'm hungry and I'm heading to a place called Mannequin Piss. Well, I hope that's how you say it anyway. So I'm heading today to what they say are the best fries in the Netherlands, if not the whole of Europe. I'm heading here, Mannequin Piss, for the best fries in the Netherlands. Well, it's a lovely sunny day today in Amsterdam. It's coming up to lunchtime. I'm hungry, so let's go and get some fries. Well, I've just been distracted by Fibo. Fibo is famous for its slot machines. €2.50. Put your money in this machine. You can choose from a croquette, a burger, whatever they have at the moment behind these machines. But I'm heading here for these. Best fries in the Netherlands. Let's go and try some. One small.
No, this side. Fritos? No.
One small.
Small?
Sauce. What do you recommend?
The first one, friet sauce, is the best seller.
Okay. Frita sauce is their best seller? No, it's none of these. It's this one. But what an amazing choice of sauces.
That one?
One. How much?
It's $4.90 in total.
Thank you.
Yes, of course. Enjoy. This one? I 1 liter. Yes.
Okay. Best fries in the Netherlands, eh? They do smell very good. A lot of sauce, I'll give them that. Hot but delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos on the way.